My name is Klenam, Mr. Chairman, co-presenters, dear parents, I greet you all. I'm connecting from
Yeah.
Utica in the United States of America. My first project is on simple calculator. Simple calculator allows the user to perform a simple arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The code provides a simple calculator program in Python. Features of calculator: adding of two numbers, subtraction of two numbers, multiplication of two numbers, and division of two numbers. The short form of defined in Python is DEF. X and Y are variables in math. X plus Y could be 3 plus 2 equals 5. Define subtract. We look for the difference of X and Y. That could be 3 minus 2 equals 1. Multiply. We look for the product of X times Y. It could be 3 times 2 equals 6. Define divide. That is, if Y equals 0, return or divide by 0. Return X or Y. If I run this project, you will see this 4 options there. And it's your choice to choose one. Enter first number or second number. If choice equals 1, result, add one number and second number. Second choice, subtract first number and second number. Third choice, multiply first number and second number. And the fourth choice is divide first number or second number. If I run this project, you will see the result. So they've listed it 1, 2, 3, and 4. Is the presenter, it's my choice to choose. I'll choose 2 and you enter. The first number is 4. You enter. Minus 6. And you enter. Your answer is negative 2.0. But because the 4 is small and the 6 is a large number, the answer will be negative. So let's do it again. 2, enter. 4 minus 2. The answer is 2. This is the end of my first project. My second project is on calendar. This program is written in Python. It displays the current month in a year. Format and highlight today's date inside a square bracket so that it is easy to spot. Features of calendar: it automatically detects today's date. It displays the current month and year in a clean format. 3. It prints a full calendar from the month with weekends alike. 4. It highlights today's date in brackets. As I was about to make this project, I need to import some stuff from my project. So I imported date and time and calendar. To get today's date, today equals date and time. Year, month, day equals today's year, today's month, and today's day. Today's year is the day of the year, the day of the month, and the day of the day. Generate the calendar for this month. Cal is the short form for calendar. Month calendar, year or month. Print the calendar headed. Print functions, calendar, month, name. It's the name of the month. After in September, it will come September. The days of the week, Monday to Sunday. Print the calendar with today's date highlighted in brackets. For week in calendar, for day in week. If day equals 0, empty day. Print empty column, end empty column. For space for alignment. Else if day equals day, highlight today. Print if day 2, end empty column. Else print functions day 2, end empty column. So I'm done explaining it. Let's run and see how it will work. You can see as today is Saturday on the 27th of September. The 27th is highlighted in a square bracket. Thank you for listening. This is the end of my project.
Good. Leave your project on. Leave your code on. Yes. So for us, what you are saying is that as you see him presenting something simple like that, this is what we call codes. Everything there is code. So coding is just these are instructions. Another term for codes are instructions. Okay, so these are the instructions the computer is going to follow to execute. So even if Klenam makes even one dot in declaring a variable, the code is not running. So it's not that simple like that. They have done well.
Thank
Okay,
you.
so well done. And I know that now that you have changed location from Ghana to US, now network will not be a problem again, eh?
Yes,
So
please.
I can tell you that you will fit in that environment. Yes, you want to
Thank
start
you.
school, you will see that your mates will know what you do. Some are doing it, some are not even doing it over there. So
Okay.
don't joke with it at all. This is what is needed in this 21st century to be a very serious student. So make sure you
Thank
don't
you.
throw it away. Continue to explore. Now that you can use the Visual Studio, go to W3 school, learn yourself, and add more to it. Thank you very much.